This video will show you how to descale your BCC13 coffee machine. The coffee machine will signal when it's necessary to carry out a descale. This removes limescale build-up, allowing the machine to function at its best and continue to produce delicious coffee. The machine is default set to descale hard water. If you're unsure of your water hardness or wish to amend the water hardness, please click on the video linked in the description to learn how to do so. When the LED signal lights up steadily, a descaling cycle should take place. A limited number of drinks can still be made before the cycle is carried out at a convenient time. Once the LED signal flashes, it means it's mandatory to carry out a descaling cycle before any more drinks are made. Firstly, place a container under the coffee spout, at least 1.4 litres in capacity. Ensure the white programme is selected. Remove the water tank and add the food safe descaler. Add the recommended quantity of water following the manufacturer instructions. Replace the tank into the machine. With the machine ready to use, press the hot water button and the menu button simultaneously for 3 seconds. The hot water button will flash with an orange light, and the LED descale icon will have a steady light for the duration of the cycle. Stay near the machine for the entire duration of the descaling cycle, as you may be required to fill up the water tank. The entire cycle lasts approximately 30 minutes. The machine will pump the descaling solution through the system. The process will pause at intervals to allow the solution to work effectively. Wait for the end of the cycle. The descaling cycle ends when the solution in the tank runs out, the hot water key turns white and the LED descale key lights up steadily. Next, fill the tank with fresh, clean water. Run the rinse programme to flush out any remaining descaling solution. To do this, press the hot water button, which will flash and the descaling icon will remain lit for the duration of the rinse cycle. This might involve several cycles of water, so ensure to fill the water tank as needed and empty the container collecting water. The descaling process is complete when the buttons light up white and the descale symbol is no longer lit. The coffee machine is now ready to be used. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our channel.